Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50i Prime. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the display or enable it by automatic brightness. Next we can enable or disable dark theme, and also we can schedule it. Same thing we can do with night light. Next we can change colors and contrast. Enable or disable video display enhancement, adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, both on home screen and lock screen. Next we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Enable or disable auto-rotate screen, change font size, display size, set screensaver, and manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, enable or disable skip lock screen, show lockdown option, double tap to lock, wake screen for notifications, and lift to check phone. In the end, you can add text on lock screen. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.